Hey guys, I just wanted to take the time to share this lawn leveling experience with you. The first step is that you want to make sure that you scout the lawn, get the height of the grass really short so that the material can go down between the grass and onto the soil instead of like sitting on top of it. As you can see here, I'm using the Soil 3 mix. It's a 70% sand. It's PGA, 70% sand, and 30% compost, which is excellent. It's very soft. It's very nice. It's just straight excellent for leveling. You can see over here where I'm going up against the driveway, I've placed a piece of cardboard on the concrete, and that helps to raise it up just a hair with that leveling rake so I can get that mixture level with the concrete. And now I'm over here spreading it out throughout the yard. This took me the better half of 4 hours, mainly just doing the front yard by myself. But it's going to make a huge difference in the lawn this year. Of course, my mix came a few weeks earlier than expected, so I was hoping to get a little more green up and get a little more growth on the yard. So uh, I had to get it out earlier than expected, but I have had it out for a few weeks. I've been working on watering it and the growth is starting to come in. So I'm really excited to be able to share the results with y'all in the future so that you can see the effects. Um, I would definitely recommend that if you decide to do this, that you get 3 or 4 of your friends to help you or rent a machine. Having the leveling rake is critical though. If you're going to be doing it manually, you definitely have to have that. You can't use like a garden rake or like a hoe or anything like that. You're definitely going to need that lawn leveling rake that's specifically for that task. The rake's got a lot of weight to it. It's very wide, and that's what really helps you spread that mix out level. Makes a huge difference. But once again, looking forward to sharing this with you once this fills in so you can see the results. And thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to follow along. Thanks. Bye.